What's up guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we've got Taffy Mail. Obviously I can't show you what's in, it's just a box. Can't show you the label because I've just got my address on it. This one is snacks. It's from USA. There's 3 different tiers. There's a $7.49, $14.99 and a $24.99. This is the $24.99 one. A month. I will get into it. A lot of tape. This one. Here we go. Oh, okay. We've got a lot of polystyrene things. So I was digging through. We got honey mustard Pringles. Oh, try and get it on focus for you. There you go. Honey mustard Pringles. What else we got down here? Oh. Chocolate crisp cookie dough Pop Tarts. Oh. Cookie and cream pretzels. Hot fries. Sorry, I got a pen in the way there. White poopers. Well, I thought I said pews then, but they're white pooper things. Oops, got a few things down here. We've got some chocolate chip cookie dough bites. Oh, that's Fanta. Fanta strawberry. Uh-oh. I'll just keep on spinning around so you can see it. Yeah, Fanta, that's a Fanta strawberry. A Zagut. That's a crunchy peanut thing, so that's a nice one for sure. That's me neighbour. That's another one for sure. Peanuts. Some coated peanuts. Warheads. Great. Chewy cubes. Kool-Aid. I think he had some water or something to that. I ain't got a clue. Oh, some sticky things. What have we got here? We've got cute cow tablet, caramel. I've got strawberry taffy. I've got the taffy apple. And I think that's it. I think this is just polystyrene. Yeah, that's it. And one lollipop, which is pink lemonade. I found that at the bottom of this box.